This is a hint video for how to merge two sorted arrays in Java. So I have array and array B, I have array A and array B, and they're both in sorted order. In other words, they're both from least to greatest. Yeah, and I do have some duplicates in here as well, but it doesn't matter. So this is what you're going to have to do for your array basics project. The first thing I did was I created a new array and I called it merged. Now notice the new array, of course, is the length of array A plus the length of array B. So my merged array, of course, is a length of 7, right? It's 3 plus 4, and the length is 7. The indexes are 0 through 6. So the way you're going to do this, pretty simple really. You're going to make a for loop that goes from 0 to the last index of the merged array. And you're just going to see which item in array A and array B is smaller, and whichever one is smaller, you will put it in the new merged array. So you're going to need a couple of integer variables. Now I called mine A pose and B pose to represent the position that I'm looking at in array A and array B. So right now I'm looking at position 0, right? So the first thing actually I'm going to do in my for loop, again, this is just going to be a for loop. Starting at 0 goes to 6 in this case. The first thing I want to do in my for loop is make sure that I have not yet gone past the end of array A, because if I have gone past the end of array A, I'm going to take the item from array B. And likewise, if I've gone past array B, right, if B position has gone past 3, then I want to make sure that I take an item from array A. Well, that has not happened in either case. So now I'm just going to look at A position and B position. If the thing at A position is smaller, in other words, if in this case it's a 4, if that's smaller than the thing at B, I'll put that in the merged array. Otherwise, I'll take from B. So in fact, the thing at B position is smaller. It's a 1. So I'll move a 1 into the new merged array, and now I have to increment my position B there, right? I'm looking now at position 1. So now I'll iterate again. Now I have not gone past the end of A or B, so I'll compare what's at position 0 to what's at position 1 of B. Oh, the thing in B is still smaller, so I'll put in a 2, and I will increment my pointer to point to the next item in B. So now I'm looking at position 0 still in A and position 2 in B. Well, now the thing at A is smaller, so I'm going to put a 4 in. I think you get what's going on. And now since I took from array A, I have to increment my A position, my thing that's pointing at array A. So now I'm going to compare the thing at position, right? I'm looking at A position, which is 1, and B position, which is 2. They're both the same. Now, depending on which way you write your code, you may, if they're equal, you could take from either one. I'll write my code, so I'll take from A, and I will increment that to 2. Then I'm looking again. Now the thing at B is smaller, and I will increment the thing at B. Oh, this is getting exciting. I'm close to the end. Now I'm comparing the last 2 items. The thing at B is smaller, so I will take from B, increment B. Now there's not even any comparison because B has gone past the end of the array, so I automatically have to take from position A. All right, and I'm done, right? I've iterated all the way through. So hopefully, let me just say briefly again what's going on. So you need to make a new array, and I called mine merged, which is the length of A plus the length of B. You're going to need a couple of integers which keep track of your index in A and B, and then you're going to have a for loop, and there's really just 4 cases. If you've gone past the end of A, you're automatically going to take the item from B. If you've gone past B, you're going to take from A. Otherwise, you have to do a little comparison. I'm comparing what's at A position to what's at B position, take whichever one is smaller, and then increment the position. Hopefully that is enough to get you started. Thanks for watching.